Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about nested virtualization on Azure VM. My name is Jojo. What I do is explain. Welcome to Joy's Route. Nested virtualization on Azure VM. So for the nested virtualization, there are certain prerequisites. First thing is all the OS versions are not supported. Only Windows Server 2016 and above, and client OS Windows 10 and above is supported for nested virtualization. And the second thing, Azure VM versions are DV3. All the Azure sizes are not supported for nested virtualization. Only the D version, DV3 version, and EV3 version on VM sizes. So all the in other ways we can say almost all the V3 versions support Azure virtualization. Regions are again West US, East US, and West Europe. Only few regions support nested virtualization. And the most important thing while creating the VM, see, we should select the security type as standard. If we select trusted launch, then nested virtualization won't be supporting. To know whether the nested virtualization is enabled on a machine or not. To check that, we can on a server we can add the Hyper-V role on the server and check it out whether nested virtualization is enabled or not. So I'm just trying to add the Hyper-V role. I'm able to add the Hyper-V role. That means the nested virtualization is enabled on the server. So I'm just adding it, adding the features. So we are getting an error like Hyper-V cannot be installed because virtualization support is not enabled in the BIOS. So this machine does not support virtualization. So let us see on the Azure page what is the configuration is given for this particular machine. We have created this machine on the West US, which is again supported region, but still it's not able to. And we have created in the OS version is Windows Server 2022, so that is even a supported OS version, and size is in V3 version. The reason is that security type we have selected trusted launch. It should be standard, as we have seen here. It should be standard while creating the virtual machine. So that is the reason why this machine doesn't support virtualization. So let us create a new VM on the as per the conditions. So I'm just going to create a new virtual machine. So let us create a machine. Yeah. So we are adding to a resource group. We are giving the name like nested VM2. VSTUS is supported. Security type. Here we have to select standard, and the version Windows Server 2022 is fine. E3 V3 version. So this E2S V3 it support virtualization. So username one is to one. Required a password. So I'm giving a complex password. Yes. So nothing else. We'll just skip all other steps and creating the VM. So it may take few minutes to create a new VM. Till then, I will post the video. So the validation is going on, and I've click on create the VM. So the machine is creating the VM. So I may just pause the video for another 2 minutes. It may take some 2 to 5 minutes. So the machine is ready. So and we have selected security type as standard. It is in V3 version, and the OS version is 2022. So it should support virtualization. So let us just log into the machine and check it out. I'm giving the public IP, which is 168.62.198.96, and we are just logging into the machine. Administrator one. Administrator spelling is administrator one. I'm giving the password. Dot slash administrator one. Okay, so we are just logging to the machine. As it is for the first time we are logging, it may take some time to load all the features. So I think I will just pause the video again. Yes, the server is ready and up and running now. So we'll add the Hyper-V role and check it out whether we are able to install the virtualization. We are able to install the Hyper-V role on this server. So I'm selecting the Hyper-V, adding the features. Yeah. So in this machine, we are able to install the Hyper-V role. So which, and we are selecting, we have to select the switches. And yes. So that's it. So to enable virtualization, all these conditions should be met. It should be above Windows Server 2016 and above. E3 version, Azure version, VM should be E3 version. Regions are West US, East US, West Europe. Security type should be standard. If all these conditions are met fine, then we are able to install nested virtualization on Azure VM. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.